how you can log into your Wells Fargo bank account. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you'll need a web browser on your laptop or your PC. So just open your web browser and then search for Wells Fargo's bank. And once you search for this, as you can see, Wells Fargo Bank's official website is at the top, so you can just click here or you can click right here. So just click on it and this will take you to the official web page of your Wells Fargo's bank account. So once you're in the website, you will be greeted with this home page, and under this personal tab you can see there is a login button. So if you want to log into your personal bank account, you can just click here, and here you can just enter your username, and once you do so, you can just enter your password. And if you don't want to log in every time you open this website, so you can just save your username so that the website remembers your login details. You can just check this box, and once you do this, you can click on sign on. But if you forgot your username or password, you can click here to reset any of your username or your password. And if you still are not able to log in, just make sure your login details are correct, your username is correct, and your password is correct. So that's how you can easily log into your Wells Fargo's bank account. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.